Hi, my people. Welcome back to 100 Days of Data with Miss Mailiana. It's day 18. I'm Francisca Mailiana Zonki, your lead tutor for this challenge. And today it's going to be a mini project thrown to you. All right. So I've shared this data set with you, the warehouse data set. Use previous videos to clean it up, right? Remove duplicates, remove blank spaces, and then use the previous videos to also create pivot tables, right? You can create about 4 pivot tables, then you move on to arranging your pivot tables and having a nice dashboard. So let's do something quickly about creating the dashboard, your final dashboard. And I would love to see your dashboard. So please, when you are done, just share it on our WhatsApp group. So join our WhatsApp group for that, so that we can bond well. All right. Okay. So let me just do a simple review of how the project. It's just a mini project. Don't do overdo. Okay. So let's go. Overdo. Okay. So let's go. All right, so now we have our data. My data is clean because I save it, right? So go watch the cleaning video to clean it up. After cleaning it up, you go do your pivot tables. So I have multiple pivot tables here, right? So instead of me to have these pivot tables all together, I am going to select this pivot table, right? And I'm going to remove um the warehouse, remove the transfer. So I have retail, right? So I'm going to do Control A. So I'm selecting this pivot table again, and I'll just do Control C. I've copied it. I'm going to paste it here. Then select it again. Select this pivot table. All right. It's not allowing me. All right. I think okay, it has to do with Windows. I just switched to Mac, so I'm still Windows minded. All right, so let's just take this off, right? Let's clear the fill, no fill. All right. All right, so let's go create another pivot table. So Control A, insert pivot table. I'm going to choose existing worksheet. I come to the worksheet I want, and I choose the side and I do OK. So this is a pivot table I've created. I'm going to choose the year, and I'm going to choose retail transfer. Right, so I need to bring my year here. So when you do it, make sure that your year is on the row. Right, so this is my second pivot table. All right, so I have this. Let's try it one more time and see if it will work. All right, it worked. So you copy this pivot table, you bring it here. It will actually, okay, so this one had a supplier out there. It will actually just create a second pivot table for you. Right, so copy and paste actually makes it easier. Then you go to, I'm going to change the retail transfer to warehouse transfer. So I have three pivot tables now. So I'm going to create a new um, window here. Then I just want to use this as my dashboard, right? So I'm going to go to view. All right, when I come to view grid lines, so I'm going to take off the grid lines, and I'm going to take off the sorry, formula bar. So this is like a drawing board for me. So when I come here and I come to my pivot table, okay, I'll click on it and I'll come to insert and I'll choose a column chart. All right, so when I choose a column chart, I'll just select my column chart, Control X, cut it and paste it here. Right, so I have it here. Then I'll just go and create another column chart again. All right, I'll just do Control A and go to insert another column chart. Then I cut it. Right, Control X is cut. Then I'll just paste it here as well. So it's like I'm bringing all the charts to one place. Then I'll just do same here, Control A, Control X. Control A, Control A this way, insert. Then we go for charts as well. So I'm just using column charts for this purposes, and I'll just paste it, right? So I paste it here, right? So I have three charts, so I can even arrange it to have a here, and I can even expand it, right, to make it big, right, just make it big. I don't know why it's taking so long. Right, yeah, so we have that. So you just arrange it. Right, just arrange it. Then you can give it insert, you can't insert a text box. So I insert the text box this way. Just type out trials, right? Is my text box working? All right, I think I am rushing my laptop, and I think I am rushing my laptop. What's happening? Okay, it was typing, but I wasn't seeing it. Can we put it in the middle? Can we make this bold? All right. Let's fill it up with a darker color. Control A. Okay, my laptop takes a while. All right. All right, so you can just give it a title and you have like something like this. All right, okay, that's all we are looking at. So if you have something like this, okay, you started as well. All right, um, this is, I'm using a MacBook right now, so if you're using Windows, it's going to be quite different as well. All right, so please note that. Okay, just do something like this and just play around. Okay, all right, have a wonderful day. All right, all right. All right, so this mini project is just for you to play around the data, right, and create at least three charts, bring it together on your dashboard and sheet, and just play around, try to arrange it, make it beautiful. Just make it beautiful to your taste, okay? And then screenshot it and send it to me. All right, I would love to see it. This is what we are talking about. Learn and practice as you go. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you on day 19. It's almost day 20. All right, see you on day 19. I hope you learned a lot from these past days, and I'm learning a lot teaching you as well. You see me do all the errors together, and that's the beauty of teaching and learning. All right, bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.